Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Kawasaki KRX4 4-seater ES model. We just installed the RYCO Street Legal Kit on it, part number 4200. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it works on the KRX 4-seater. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can install these front turn signal lights. They do have daytime running feature, as you see on right now. You can turn off that function if you'd like. This is a great spot to put those lights, so you've got great forward visibility as well as side visibility. We've seen people put them up here, even up along here. Anywhere you can drill that 3/4 inch round hole, it'll work. How do you turn them on? Just like your car. Down will be left, indicator light up on the dash letting you know that turn signal is on. You can see those lights flashing there now. Very nice. And of course, what we love about the RYCO kit is it ties into the stock tail lights around the backside, utilizing all of those bright LEDs in that sweet KRX tail light. With the RYCO kit, you also have the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. Indicator lights up there on the dash. Anywhere you can drill a hole there on the dash, 5/16 will work for that. You can see those lights flashing there on the corners. Very nice, very nice. And around the back side. Looking good. The RYCO kit also comes with the license plate mount that's customized for the KRX, as well as an LED to illuminate that plate at night. We do have these kits in stock, ready to ship out today. We'll post up in the description below where you can go on and order that from our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports. To release the hazard, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button's integrated into the end. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody. There are other street legal kits available for the KRX from RYCO. Check out our other videos if you want to see other options.